Hi, I'm Susan Clark with Alain Pinel Realtors. Welcome to this lovely home for sale in the Country Club area of Pebble Beach on Sawmill Gulch Road. We have a great location here. We're close to the Hwy One access. We're close to Monterey Peninsula Country Club and in a Spanish Bay, and just 9/10 of a mile from the beach. So come on, I want to show you this beautiful home. The lovely pergola gate entrance and landscaping form a very private, sunny patio area. When the owners purchased the home 15 years ago, they did a major renovation. Double pane windows throughout, crown moldings, 4-inch baseboards, copper plumbing and plaster walls. And I just love the Casablanca ceiling fans, the skylights, and the 3 sets of French doors. The living room is one of my favorite rooms. The vaulted open beam ceiling creates a feeling of spaciousness, and the gas fireplace is the focal point of the room. This is really a fabulous room. The owners call it the garden room. It is actually a family room, of course. It's very open and light. You can see that there are skylights in the ceiling. The Casablanca fans are also in this room to keep the air moving. Double doors open onto the back patio and also a wonderful backyard that is very low maintenance. So if you don't happen to live here full time, it's easy to take care of. It's all fenced in, so it makes it really private to enjoy sitting out here for a meal or to read a book in our great weather. The kitchen is the heart of every home, and this one is phenomenal. The Cambria quartz counters not only are gorgeous, but they're very practical. It's a hard surface and you don't have to seal them. And for the chef and the family, the 6-burner dual fuel Wolf range is going to be a delight. And the glass display white maple cabinetry will show off your beautiful dishes. This is not just a place to cook, but it's a wonderful place to entertain family and friends. The great thing about this house is the master bedroom is a very spacious bedroom, and it opens onto a really lovely master bath with double sinks and beautiful cabinetry and the same Cambria quartz counters. The 2 guest rooms are on one side of the house and the master bedroom is on the other. So if you do have guests, they're totally separated, and there's even a pocket door going into the guest wing so it can be totally separate. The floor plan of the home really flows. The gorgeous red oak floors that are in the living room flow to the den, the dining room, and the kitchen, and they're just gorgeous. Pebble Beach is more than just an address, it's a lifestyle. So whether or not you like to play golf, stroll on the beach, take scenic drives, horseback ride, or even fine restaurants, Pebble Beach has it all right here. For more information about this home or other homes on the Monterey Peninsula, give me a call.